If you're thinking about starting your own business in Texas, then creating an LLC is one of the first things you'll need to do. It can be stressful if it's something you've never done because each state has its own set of rules that you need to learn about and follow. So today I'm going to explain everything you need to know on setting up an LLC in Texas. There are two different ways to do it. First, how to do it all yourself, and then how to use a business formation service that will literally do everything for you and make your life much easier. Now, let's jump in.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel.
So first, let's quickly talk about what an LLC actually is. So an LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that helps keep your personal stuff like your home, your car, your savings, separate from your business. So if your business ever runs into financial trouble or gets sued, your personal assets are generally protected. Forming an LLC basically creates a legal buffer between you and your business. But aside from that protection, your LLCs are also really flexible. You get options for how you're taxed. And whether you're running the show solo or with partners, it's pretty easy to set things up in a way that works for you. That's why most people, whether they are just starting out or already have a business, usually prefer the LLC route. It just covers everything and keeps it all simple. All right, so let's talk about the first way you can set up an LLC in Texas, and that's by doing it yourself. Obviously, first, you've got to pick a name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique, not already taken, or too close to another business name. If you want to check if your name is available, you can reach out to the Texas Secretary of State's office or use their new website, SOS Direct. Or even a quick Google search will help you as well. When it comes to naming your LLC in Texas, the rules are actually pretty straightforward. Your name needs to be unique, and you can't use words like government, bank, or veteran unless you've got permission. Also, your business name has to include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. After you have the name, you'll need a registered agent. Basically, this person or service is the middleman for your business when it comes to important legal stuff from the state. If you're an adult living in Texas, you can act as your own registered agent. Just understand that you have to be available during regular business hours to receive those documents. If that sounds tricky, there are companies that can act as your registered agent, so it's worth checking out all of your options. Next, let's get into actually setting up your LLC. In Texas, that means filing something called a certificate of formation with the state. You'll have to give some basic info like your LLC's name, address, what the business is about, details for your registered agent, and who's organizing everything. There's a $300 fee to file, and you've got a few options for how to submit it: online, by mail, fax, or even in person. Usually it takes about 5 to 7 business days to get processed. If you want to speed things up, filing online lets you pay an extra $25 to get it done the next day. Next, you should have an operating agreement. Texas doesn't require it, but it's a good idea to have one to keep things clear, whether it's just you or you actually have partners. You can think of it as your business layout. This agreement lays out and breaks down who owns what percentage, everyone's responsibilities, how profits and losses get shared, how you'll handle disagreements, and what happens if someone leaves or if the business shuts down. It's not set in stone either. You can update it whenever your business changes or grows. Next up, you're going to need the employer identification number, or EIN. It's basically like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for things like opening a business bank account, applying for loans, hiring employees, or handling taxes. Now, this is actually free to get, and you can apply for it online or by mail straight through the IRS. Next, you'll need to know about taxes. While Texas doesn't charge you anything just to keep your LLC active, you still need to handle your federal taxes. Since an LLC is considered a pass-through entity, the business itself doesn't pay for income taxes. Those go straight through to you or the other owners. That means you'll report the income on your personal federal tax return unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation. And one perk of being in Texas, there's no state income tax either for individuals or corporations. That said, there are a few other taxes you'll need to keep in mind. If you're planning to hire employees, you'll have to deal with payroll taxes. And if you're selling goods or taxable services, sales tax will be on your radar too. Sales tax in Texas is 6.25% at the state level, but some cities or counties tack on extra, bringing it up to 8.25% in some areas. Getting a sales tax permit is free, and you can apply for it right on the Texas Comptroller's website. Once you're registered, the state will assign you a filing schedule, how often you have to submit sales tax reports based on your estimated sales. Could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. On top of that, there's also the franchise tax. This is due every year by May 15th. Now, if your business brings in under $2.5 million in revenue, you won't owe anything, but you still need to file some paperwork, either the public information report or the ownership information report, whichever fits your setup. If your business does cross that 2.5 million mark, then the comptroller's website has a tax table to help you figure out what you owe. Either way, you can submit everything by mail or take care of it online. There will always be a little bit of work to make sure you're staying on the state's good side when it comes to taxes, but once you learn exactly what you need to do, it becomes pretty easy. So let's talk about the easier and less stressful way to get all of this done. I personally don't have the time or the patience to do it all myself, and honestly, I would have messed something up. That's why I went with Zenbusiness to set up my LLC. In my opinion, it's a great option, especially if it's your first time starting a business, since they make it all super easy to do. Now, of course, there are other great options I've tried: LegalZoom, Taylor Brands, and Swift Filings as well. And if you're curious how they compare, I've linked my full reviews in the description below along.
If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel.
All right, so if you haven't heard of Zenbusiness, it's a popular formation service that helps you handle the legal and compliance side of starting a business. They simplify the process of starting and managing a business, particularly for those new to entrepreneurship. It stands out for its user-friendly platform, great pricing, and a range of services designed to help take out the complexity of starting and running your business. Now, let's go through how you'd actually apply for an LLC using Zenbusiness. The first step is to click the Start an LLC button on its website. From there, you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC and select Texas from the drop-down menu. Next up, you'll answer some questions about your business, and the system will suggest any extras you might need based on your situation, something like a registered agent.
Then you would just pick the Zenbusiness plan that works best for you. It starts with a free starter plan, and you only need to pay the state filing fee, which makes it a budget-friendly choice for new entrepreneurs. This tier covers essential LLC filings with a 100% accuracy guarantee and includes a 30-day free trial of their web tools like the AI website builder, domain, and business email. From there, their pro plan costs around $200 per year plus state fees. It adds one-day rush filing so your application is processed as fast as possible. You also get your EIN and a customizable operating agreement template included, which does save you from having to pay for those as separate add-ons later. It even includes ongoing compliance with up to 2 amendment filings at no extra charge. And if you want the highest tier, the premium plan is about $400 per year plus state fees. It includes everything in the pro plan with premium essentials, such as their registered agent service to protect your privacy, a one-on-one business advisor consultation, and a 60-day trial of Money Pro to manage your invoicing and taxes. Plus, you get the full business documents library and advanced compliance coverage, which gives you 24/7 monitoring, a money-back guarantee on missed deadlines, and unlimited amendment filings to keep your business records current as you grow. So whether you're just getting started or looking for a more streamlined way to handle the paperwork, Zenbusiness gives you a few solid options to choose from.
And basically that's it. It really is that easy. You can try setting up your LLC in Texas yourself or let a business formation service handle the process for you. Honestly, it just depends on your situation and what works best for you. If you're short on time or just want to make sure everything is done right, Zenbusiness is a solid option. They guide you through the process, handle the filings, and even include helpful extras like compliance reminders and an operating agreement, depending on your plan. But if you don't mind doing a bit of homework and you want to save some money and time, then you can just do it all yourself. Either way, you've got options, and it's not as scary or as difficult as it sounds. All right, so that wraps up this video. If it was helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.
And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. And if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.